Hello, this is Sana Fareen from MSc Biotech first year, and today we'll be talking about infrastructure. So let's walk through the main building to the fourth floor because our Department of Biosciences is there only. Now walking through the classroom, we have a very well air-conditioned classrooms with digital boards. As in biotech, all we talk about is diagrams and mechanisms. And it gets very easy to understand it through PPTs and videos. So we have a step classroom. So we have a sport clubs and it organizes events very often. We have a huge playground, courts, and for indoor activities, we have indoor rooms available there as well with all sorts of indoor equipments. Now talking about connectivity. So we have very strong Wi-Fi connectivity throughout the campus. Every individual has its own ID and passwords to access the Wi-Fi better. Talking about libraries, we have digital as well as the normal libraries with all sorts of academic and non-academic books. For a biotech students, we have a gem there, and that is research papers. And PYQs as well. We have a computer available there, computer system, through which we can access research websites as well. In biotech, results are important, but the results getting printed are more important. So for that, we do not need to go outside the campus as we have stationery shop available here for purchasing record files and getting our prints done. And we have a departmental store available here as well for all the essential amenities. For crunchies and munchies, we have food courts available here like CSB, Hotspot. And if you are going to visit our campus for the first time, please try Maggie from the Maggie Point. Take it as an advice and thank me later. Now, let's talk about the most important thing for which I am here in IMS, the laboratories. We have a very modern, well-equipped labs with proper assistance from very helpful faculties. As a medical help, we also have very basic first aid here, so we can get all sort of basic medications in case of needs. And safety here is very fully taken care of. Like we have security cameras, guards available here for 24/7 and all sort of safety equipments. Now I would like to rate our labs like 3.5 out of 5 because of its modern equipment and helpful assistance. I would like to rate infrastructure as 4.7 out of 5, and that's all from my side. Thank you.